Stone Age, Bronze Age, and Iron Age. What's the difference? A lot changed from the dawn of the Stone Age to the end of the Iron Age. Housing. At the start of the Stone Age, humans lived in caves or simple tents. From the Neolithic period onwards, many houses were made of wood, covered with wattle and daub. Others were made of stone. By the Iron Age, most people lived in hill forts, surrounded by protective walls and ditches. Landscape. For thousands of years, Britain was covered in snow and ice. Finally, temperatures began to rise. The ice melted, the sea level rose, and Britain became an island. Forests and woodland began to grow, and rivers and lakes appeared. In the Neolithic period, farmers cut down trees to make room for crops and animals. During the Bronze Age, people dug burial mounds and set up stone circles. In the Bronze and Iron Ages, they also built walls and dug ditches to mark borders and territory. Tools and weapons. Stone Age tools and weapons were made of bones, antlers, or stone, such as flint or obsidian. During the Mesolithic period, people learned how to make harpoons, spears, bows, and arrows. Spears and axes were common during the Bronze Age, while Iron Age weapons also included swords and shields. Clothes. During the Ice Age, clothes and shoes were made of animal fur. As the climate got warmer, clothes tended to be made of leather. Most Bronze and Iron Age clothes were made of wool, which was dyed bright colors. Jewelry also became popular from the Neolithic period onwards.